Good morning! Welcome back to Project DIY for another DIY video. Let's go! For today's video, mag-i-install tayo ng signal light sa ating Mojo200. So very simple lang yung ating nabiling signal light sa Lazada, link in the description. It has a plastic cover with a rubber neck, so it's very flexible. Wiring harness wise, it's very simple also, black and red for negative and positive terminals. Alright, so simulan na natin. Tanggalin lang natin yung upuan ng ating Mojo200 para makita natin yung wiring harness para doon sa signal lights natin. Once removed, gagamit tayo ng test light. So, connect lang natin yung negative terminal sa battery. Turn on natin yung ignition and then yung signal light. Umpisahan natin sa right turn signal. So, dun sa wiring harness ng ating Mojo200, ito yun. Yan. Okay. Ito. So, gamitin natin yung test light natin to check ano yung iilaw o yung positive para sa right turn signal since naka-switch on siya. So just poke around dun sa mga connections and kung saan iilaw yung test light natin, yun yung ating right turn signal. So pwede na natin siyang i-label. Check naman natin ngayon yung ating left turn signal using the same method. Kung ano yung iilaw, yun ang ating left turn signal. So pwede na natin siyang i-label. Tulad nito. Ayan. So now that we know ano yung left and right, pwede na natin siyang i-label para hindi tayo magkamali later on. So next step is for us to install yung ating turn signals. So yung built-in na bracket, meron na siyang holes kung saan natin isa-screw in yung ating turn signals na bago. And then doon sa pinakagitna sa ilalim, meron din siyang butas. Ito. Yan. Kung saan natin padadaanan yung mga kable para makonect natin sa wiring harness. Okay, so na-install natin yung ating left and right signals. Ngayon, ilusot naman natin yung mga kable papunta dun sa wiring harness. Alright, so now naipasok natin yung harness ng mga signal lights natin. Ready na tayo mag-connect dun sa main harness ng ating Mojo200. Okay, so now we can connect it to our wiring harness. Very simple naman yung ating wiring harness. It's just positive and negative. You can always test it with a test light kung hindi kayo sigurado sa kulay ng ating mga kable. Pero in a nutshell, the colors that we're going to use will start with the right turn signal. So for the right turn signal, ang negative natin is yung green and then yung positive natin is yung light blue. So tara, connect muna natin sila. Ayan, so nakonect na natin yung right turn signal, pwede na tayo magpunta sa left signal. So for the left, ang negative natin is still yung green, magkatabi lang sila ng ating right turn signal. And then the positive is our orange cable. So tara, connect na rin ulit natin yung ating positive and negative connections. Ayan, so connected na tayo. So all that's left to do is for us to put back all of the wires at test na natin yung ating mga ilaw. So let's start with the right turn signal. Let's go. Okay, gumagana siya. Let's now test our left signal. Okay, gumagana din. And lastly, let's test our hazard lights. Good. So all and both are working perfectly. Eto na sila ngayon. Alright. So please stay tuned for other DIY videos and also tips and tricks para sa ating Mojo200. Marami po tayong gagawin. Maraming salamat po.